Step 1. Read the recipe from start to finish.
Alright, heat the oven to 450. Boom. Check.
Half a cup of cornmeal plus 1 and 2 tablespoons. 2/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour plus 1/4 cup. 1 and 2 scant tablespoons of sugar. 1 heaping teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Boom. And whisk. 1 egg and 1 egg white. 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk. Add the dry stuff into the wet stuff. Now whisk all of that together. 1/4 cup plus 1 and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now blend it all. I'm going to take a really cute little skillet and put it on to medium-high heat. Now we add the butter. Boop! And swirl it around until it's melted and covering the whole thing. Now we add in 3/4 a cup of batter.
Now set a timer for 2 minutes. In the oven, for another 2 minutes. Let's go. And then we take it back up onto the burner. Boom! Throw some butter in there. And then flip it. Yeah! And then scoot it around. Take it off the burner. Throw a little more butter on it. Throw a little bit of maple syrup on it. And of course some thick old kosher salt.